Before changing the filter on your xFUME flex unit, turn the power off, unplug the unit from the wall socket, and secure the locking caster wheels. Be sure to wear gloves and eye protection during this process. Dust masks are also recommended as fine particles of hazardous material may become dislodged from the filter during removal and handling. Use the key included with your unit to unlock the filter door and access the filters. Remove the pre-filter by sliding it out of the cabinet. Then remove the spring clip from the pre-filter and set aside. You will need this piece for later. Remove the cartridge filter by sliding it out of the cabinet. Install your new cartridge filter, ensuring that the gasket side is facing down. Install the spring clip onto the new pre-filter. Then install the pre-filter into the cabinet, ensuring you have the correct side up as shown here. Close the filter door and lock it with the included filter door key. Be sure to test your xFUME Flex unit to ensure it is functioning properly before working with it full time.
Hey, thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos, like this one. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this video in the comments below, and subscribe if you want to be the first to see the latest from ABICOR BINZEL.